It's great. Google have been offering hotel ads since 2010, gradually adding more and more functionality over time for that online advertising program, which is specifically for hotels. Recently, Google added the ability for hotels to appear for free organic listings, which will be listed next to the paid for display ads. So that's great functionality. The initiative was really based on Google's support of the return to travel post-COVID. So that's a fantastic initiative. But Google's really in the ideal position with commanding so much online traffic. They're in the ideal position to continue innovating in this area, and in my opinion, that's only going to benefit hoteliers longer term.